Okay, for the sake of clarity and also for the sake of time and going through the whole process of digitizing this, I just rather went through this project, this unicorn, flying unicorn, for the demonstration of the blog post I'm doing on how to use artificial intelligence to create images. And I've gone through I created this image using Copilot. I've dropped it into my software. I cropped it using another piece of software called Paint Shop Pro. And then I dropped it into here. And I'm at the point now where I digitize this. And for the sake of time, I only did one pass on most of this. I was going to go back around one more time, go around the entire image again, but for the sake of time, I went ahead and just digitized it as quickly as I could. If I were to digitize this normally, I would add all the details I could in the inside there, but I'm trying to get this blog post done, so I hope you'll forgive me. And once I've dropped the image in there, this is still the image. I have put the embroidery stitches on top of this. You can see as I turn the image down, you can see the stitches that are there. And the way they're going to stitch out, I usually start at one end and go to the other and go completely around and do two passes. Today I only did mostly a one pass on this, just to, like I say, to save some time. So here it is. Here's what it looks like when it sews out. And all I did was basically use the image that I had. Now you don't have to make them highly complicated. If you just wanted to do an outline of an image, you could use the ones that you get from artificial intelligence to do what I just did. Just make it a simple line, single stitch kind of a thing. And they sew out really well. A lot of people really like those. Of course, they probably will like them a lot better with more detail in them. But I could have added all the detail I wanted to, and it would have looked really cool. And the beauty of using just one color against a dark color. Now, if I had a light color in the background, I'd be using a dark color stitch, of course, but I demonstrated this in white stitches. But these are very popular because they sew out. You only have to use one thread and one color, and they go through and they look really interesting when you get a lot more detail than what I have put in this. So I hope you got something out of this today, and good luck on using artificial intelligence for your own designs. God bless.